Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to show you that how to hide your Facebook Messenger story from a specific person. That's quite simple and easy to do. So let's begin. And first of all, open up your Facebook Messenger app, and then just simply click on these two lines on the very top left, and here you will get a gear in front of your messenger username. Just simply tap on that gear and just scroll a little bit, and here you get the option of privacy and safety in preferences section on the top. Just simply tap on that option. So here you see the option of story controls on the very last. So just simply tap on the story controls. Here you can see option of hide from. Just simply tap on that option and choose the person to whom you want to hide your story, just like this, and click on apply. And here you can see the option of save on the top right. Just simply tap on that save option, and then once again click on save. So like in this way you can hide your messenger story from a specific person. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below and I'll be catching you in my next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel.